Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a little deal I wanted to do for you today that I found, uh, and I want to go over some stuff that I've gone over before, but I just wanted to. We got a lot of new pickers and stuff that don't go back through videos and things like that. But this first little section, this is for lock and kilo. Um, he just did a video on a train reverse key. And right back here, going this way, is mine. So he just did a video on one of these and explained it. So go watch that video and you'll understand that. Okay, now we got through that. This is the plug I pulled out of this this master, and I wanted you to see the pins and how they were set up. Let me get you down there a little bit closer. This is them, not in the same order that they were in, but this is, excuse me, this is basically how they were. You see that one is just too short to go, it's got a short pin and then it's got a regular serrated in it, and it's shear line. And you got a real tall one here that could just use a shorter standard round pin, regular pin. So let me get back a little bit out, and I found this pin in an American lock. I think it was an American that I got this out of. If I can focus on it. And it is super long. So if you're going to make a pin, I don't know if this was factory. It wasn't a factory lock. I just don't know if it was factory. But if you're going to make a pin that long, you don't have room for a spring. Now, here's the shortest. Let me get this around here. The shortest. Let me get another pair of tweezers. It's down here below us. This is the shortest pin they make for American and Master. And I'm trying to see this, guys, if I can drop that in there. It doesn't want to go, but let me try to get a hold of it again. I'm down here fishing for it. I know you guys can't see it, but I'm down fishing for it. I'm going to try to drop that in. And if you can see this, with just the, come on, focus on it, with just the that driver that was in, and the key pin, even though it's the shortest key pin, it's still above the line here. I'm hitting it right now, going back and forth. You can never overset this, and you'll have no room for the spring. So never make that mistake if you're making your own pins, driver pins and stuff like that. Let me come back out just a little bit. And if you do want to make your own driver pins, this is, let's see if I can get that straightened out. It's a 3/32 or 2.38 millimeter brass rod, and it works perfectly for these pins. Now, if you're like me and kind of don't want to actually have to do that, somewhere up here I got a pin for you. You can always take your kit and you have your, let me put that somewhere where you can see it. Where'd it go? No, I didn't get it. You can always take your kit and get a, let me bring it down. and get a driver out of there, I mean a key pin out of there, at the length you want it, flip it around, and it becomes the driver pin, and it is already serrated for you. So that's another thought you could use to just pin up quick without having to make a specialty pin for those really, really short ones you got in there. Just take another longer driver, match it up for where it works, and then flip it upside down and drive. That's your driver. So I hope that helps if you're pinning something like this. I'm going to pin this up the way I want it, and then I'm going to put it all together, and I'm going to cut a key for it, and I'll show you that when I get back and get done. So for right now, I'll be back when I'm finished. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna put up all this stuff. This is the pins that were in there, and they were just common pins, you know, just all standard. I'll just throw them in this kit here. Well, I'm finished with the lock, and here is a working lock now, and I'll just put it in here. And here's your bitting. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if we can get this where you can see the bitting on it. So yeah, that's that's going to be another working key for a lock I want to put together. So that's basically what's going on, guys. I've got several locks over here. Let me take you down. I hope you don't get sick. I'm going to try to do this easy. Easy. Ooh, Mr. Shaky's at it again. Okay, I got several kicks over here. I got a key. I got my stuff kind of set up, some stuff back here in the back. There's my buddy bear. So that's what I've got going on right now. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay legal and have fun. Bye.